Realme Buds Air is the flagship earphone series of Realme. It has always been active in the true wireless Bluetooth headset market, with an image of leapfrog experience, solid materials, and outstanding appearance. As for the latest new Real Self Buds Air 3S, the official said that it can challenge the sound quality of $139 headphones. So what is its real performance? The packaging of Realme Buds Air 3S continues the classic appearance. The headphone body and product logo are printed on the front of the headphone box. The transparent top cover appearance of the headphone box can be vaguely seen from the product picture. If the light conditions are good, you can see the transparent texture of the headphone compartment cover. There is also a titanium blank color scheme to choose from. Not only the look and feel, but also very comfortable to wear. Realme Buds Air 3S fits perfectly to the contour of the ear. It is very easy to wear earphones. The earphones are easily pushed and immediately fill the ear canal. The special whale-fin ear wings also provide enough space for the user's ear concha cavity when wearing them. Even when running outdoors or other intense sports, the earphones can be stable without any sense of looseness, and the Realme Buds Air 3S has an IPX5 waterproof rating, which has a 5-level liquid penetration protection, which can resist water splashing from any angle, and there is no need to worry about the inflow of sweat causing damage to the earphones when running or exercising. The Realme Buds Air 3S headphone compartment has a simple appearance without any brand name or logo. When the headphone compartment is opened, the transparent texture of the cover is instantly revealed. The addition of the transparent cover also enhances the sense of technology and recognition of the headphone compartment to a certain extent, and also brings a sense of future and transparency. The lower part of the earphone compartment is made of frosted material, which is in sharp contrast with the transparent box cover of the upper part. The lower part of the earphone compartment also adopts a simple appearance, and the pairing button is cleverly hidden on the front of the box body. If you don't hold it in your hand and look at the earphone compartment at a close distance, it is difficult to find the existence of this pairing button. Compared with wired headsets, Bluetooth headsets have always been at a disadvantage in terms of battery life, so the battery life of a Bluetooth headset is naturally one of the key points for users to judge whether it is good or bad. Realme Buds Air 3S uses a single ear on the battery. The charging combination of 43 mAh earphones and 460 mAh charging compartment. According to official data, the earbuds can play music for 7 hours of battery life, and with the charging compartment, it has an ultra-long battery life of 30 hours. The back of the earphone box is the Type-C charging port. The main color inside the headphone compartment of Realme Buds Air 3S is gray, and the earphones are placed in the lower middle position, which is convenient to take in place during the use of the earphones. There is an earphone status indicator light in the middle of the two earphones. The upper part of the warehouse leaves most of the space for the brand slogan of Dare to Leap, and the Realme brand is printed on the bottom of the warehouse. At the same time, Realme Buds Air 3S is also equipped with a new generation of Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Compared with Bluetooth 5.2, it has lower standby power consumption, lower delay, stronger anti-interference and stable signal. Even in the commuting peak environment facing a sea of people, it can avoid the interference of multiple devices, stabilize the connection, and lock the user device. Realme Buds Air 3S earphones adopt a rounded appearance, with smooth overprocessing on the earphone stem and earplugs, and a whale-fin ear wing appearance is added to the upper part of the earphones to help the earphones be more stable and comfortable during wearing. The overall length of the Realme Buds Air 3S ear handle is relatively short. This is an innovative short, broad appearance with a smaller appearance. The ear handle part is integrated with the control area, and you can control music playback by clicking, double-clicking and other shortcuts. The outer part of the ear handle is specially treated by the vacuum plating process, which makes the earphone look delicate and shiny. The appearance of Realme Buds Air 3S adopts trendy aesthetic appearance, and the sound quality is its strong point. It not only adopts the newly developed blue whale diaphragm, 11mm bass large dynamic coil, and the bass is better, but also supports Dolby Atmos, bringing stereo surrounding high-quality leapfrog sound. At the same time, it also shows a high level of Bluetooth connection, long battery life and low latency, successfully overcoming the weaknesses of ordinary Bluetooth headsets. Realme Buds Air 3S also provides users with more usage scenarios in terms of personalization. The adaptation of the software is eye-catching. The perfect combination of hardware and software double guarantees the needs of users for sound quality. On the whole, Realme Buds Air 3S is worth purchasing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.